Curious about Airbnb for travel accommodations, but not sure how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll explain what Airbnb is and how it works. Now let's get started. Airbnb is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. People can rent a space for multiple people to share, a shared space with private rooms, or the entire property for themselves. On Airbnb, you'll find all kinds of unique properties including lakefront, tree houses, tiny homes, tropical destinations, and more. If you're looking to book a vacation, but a regular hotel isn't quite fitting your needs, Airbnb is a great place to look. Once you create an Airbnb account, you can search for a place to stay by inputting where you want to go, when you want to check in, when you want to check out, and how many guests will be staying. You can also add extra search criteria to filter your search results, such as type of property, price range, amenities, and more. If you find a property that you'd like to stay at sometime in the future, or have stayed at before and want to stay at again, you can tap the heart icon to save it and come back to it later. Also, while your billing details are needed in order to hold a booking, you don't pay until a host accepts your reservation request. Airbnb has many safety features in place to protect both guests and hosts using their platform. Both hosts and guests have multiple ways to verify their identities, can rate and review each other, and can privately message each other through its internal email system. This helps to keep users safe and accountable. As a guest at an Airbnb rental property, you can keep yourself safe by closely reading the listing that you're interested in and asking your host as many questions about themselves or their property as you need to in order to feel comfortable. It's also a good idea to only message other users and pay for your rental property booking using its internal tools. That covers all the basics of what Airbnb is and how their platform works. If you want to get started using Airbnb, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.